This is Lori at the National Hardware Show, and I am at the Greenlid booth, and I have Morgan here. Morgan's got a really neat little device here that you could have on your kitchen counter for collecting all sorts of like celery, radish tops and things. And so tell us a little bit about that, Morgan.
And so this is Greenlid. It's the world's first fully biodegradable kitchen food waste bin in your kitchen. It's for collecting all your food scraps in a clean and tidy way. So if you've done this before, usually you have a plastic bin or some kind of metal bin that you have to clean. It smells. It gets pretty gross if you forget about it. This one, you can fill up the entire container. You can compost the entire thing in your backyard compost pile or place it out for curbside if you have municipal collection in your city. It's all made from end-of-life recycled cardboard that can't really be used for anything else. And we developed an additive that makes it leak-proof so it won't leak on your kitchen counter. When you're not using it, you can place a reusable lid on top. The entire container acts like a natural carbon filter so you don't get any of the kind of gross smells. And just easy disposal once you're finished. The label itself converts into a nice lid to keep it tidy as well if you don't have the plastic lid around. So there, just clean and easy composting in your kitchen.
That is really neat. Morgan, to find out more information or where can we go buy one, where should we go?
You can go to our website at mygreenlid.com.
That sounds great. Thank you very much.